Hello, Mayank. What are
Hmm.
the difficulties students facing while learning Japanese?
So the kind of difficulty the student face while learning the language, the Japanese language, is that one, they find it very hard to deal with kanji. Mm, very hard. And the second, they find it even, I'm not going to say even harder, the same hard difficulty level. Yeah, they find it very hard to make sentences, their own sentences, even after they know the grammar. Yeah. And I'll also give you the reason behind these two. So the first one, finding it very hard to deal with kanji, is because they give enough time to hiragana, they give enough time to katakana, but they do not give enough time to kanji. And kanji comparatively requires more time than hiragana and katakana. Mm. And kanji is the future. You have to shift to kanji after a while. Cannot always stick with hiragana. Mm. So they practice hiragana. They see it every day. They write it every day. Katakana they write most of the time, but kanji they do not write. They just look at it and okay, this is the kanji. Okay, the next kanji, the next kanji. They do it like that, and because of that, it becomes the image. It's just an image. You forget the image, but if you write it, it becomes memory, and memory stays. Hmm. So yeah, that's the problem they face and the reason for that also. The second one is finding it hard to create their own sentences. Now, when I say create their own sentences, so in the beginning, you are going to face difficulty probably with everything because you are new. After a while, you are adapted to most of the thing. But these two stays for the longest. See, so dealing with kanji. Yeah, now the creating sentence part. So they find it very hard to create sentences of their own, and the reason behind that is that when they're learning grammar, so they have the vocab and they know how to change that vocab according to different cases, according to different patterns. Yeah, they can do that. But when you ask them to create example sentences, what they do is they just take the old sentence and then make some changes here and there and just present it to you like, oh, sensei, this is my sentence. So they act clever, but that is not for the benefit. Because you see, if you just take the old pattern and make some changes and then present it, so you're not producing anything. You're doing something, but you're not generating the sentence. See, you're just copying and pasting, taking edits here and there. Mm. So after that, after doing it for a long time in real life, when they are talking to someone, when they have to express themselves, when they actually have to say what they want to say, so they have very less freedom. Why? Because they just copy and paste. They just take the whole sentence, make changes here and there, and just put it there, just present it. Hmm. They're not used to expressing their feeling and saying what they actually want to say to the person who's in front of them. Yeah. So there's the most common difficulty they face. Hi, that was it.